Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today's video is a declutter, organize, and clean with me. I will be tackling under the bathroom sink in the master room. So let's get into the video. Before we get back into the video, I have some exciting news. I just launched my first Etsy shop. It's called Simply Neat Company. Today, I'm providing you with one of the many templates that I will be putting up in my Etsy shop. This actual template has not been launched on my Etsy shop, and I'm providing it to you guys for free. I'm actually using this template to declutter and reorganize my space. So I hope it helps you guys out. I'll place the link below for you to click on it and get your free template. So let's get back into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is take everything out of the bathroom cabinet for me to see how much stuff we have, and then we'll declutter, reorganize, and I'll also come back and clean this cabinet. But just for better angles, I am going to take all the items in the bedroom and place them on the floor so that way you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. So about a couple months ago, I did a declutter, organize video for the bathroom closet, and you guys seem to really like that one. So I decided to do under the cabinet sink, and I'll be doing some other declutter and organize motivation videos coming soon. I also want to mention that the two gray baskets I took out of the bathroom closet because they've sort of, each basket have become super messy. So I just want to take the items out and then reorganize them. So what you're going to see me do here is organize all the items that came out of those two bins, and I'm going to organize them into two piles. So I'm going to have one pile to throw away and the other pile to keep, and then of course the keep pile I'm going to reorganize and place them back into the bins. So I want to go ahead and show you guys my organized process right now. So these are the two bins that I have to reorganize the cabinet underneath the sink. These right here, these items I'm throwing away, and then these two I just wanted to reorganize. So basically what I just did, put the same stuff in there but just like make it look neater. And this stuff right here just needs to go back underneath the cabinet. And so what I want to do is I want to organize by what I'm calling usage. So basically the items that I am using, I want to make sure if I'm using them more often than not, then I'm putting them in the front. Things that I don't use as often, I'm either putting in the back or I'm putting them in these two bins. Of course, those two baskets go in the back closet. So let's go ahead and get back to work.
It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Another tip I like to give you guys is whenever you are organizing any type of space, especially something that you're using every single day, I always try to categorize it by what I'm using. So like in the brown basket, that's basically all either face products or hair products, because we know that we're grabbing those items every single morning whenever we're getting dressed. And so this basket right here, I'll explain a little bit more in a minute, but like we have our hair products all together, our toothbrush and toothpaste all together, and then we have some miscellaneous at the bottom. But always try to categorize your things, as well as use the usage method, just because it does make it easier to keep things organized as well as neat and tidy.
Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So with organizing that drawer, I have this pile right here that I'm just going to throw away, minus this. And then I organized these 3 drawers. That's what I was just doing. And so the top drawer is all of like toothbrushes, dental floss. I think this is the charcoal whitening. And then I have some Listerine as well. So anything that has to do with brushing your teeth is in the top drawer. And then the second drawer is all hair products. So we did get rid of quite a few brushes and quite a few combs because we don't need that many. And then I have the hair bows. We had them all out and I just threw away some over there. And then I also just put them in a Ziploc baggie so they just look more organized. And then I also have a couple other hair products. So then at the bottom, it's sort of like the miscellaneous drawer. We have our deodorants. I have some toner, some face mask spray, and then I have some Vaseline, and then we have our fingernail clippers, and those are Diva cups. You should check them out if you've never used them. They're definitely worth a money saver. But the only couple of items that I'm struggling with trying to find a place for is the Vaseline. I think I'm just going to throw that away because we have 2 of them and we only really need 1. So I'm just going to throw that away. And then we have the children's vape rub that I need to put in Eleni's room because it's the children. So I just put it up top in her top closet so she can't get it. And then I need to put this with my makeup. And this Dove lotion that I need to use, I'm just going to place it in... I think I'm just going to place it in that basket right there so we can definitely use that up. So now the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and place everything back, and then I'll show you how it looks afterwards.
I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe.
Before placing the items back into the cabinet, I'm going to spray it down with some Methods cleaner, and it's just the bathroom Methods cleaner, and then I'm going to wipe it down with a microfiber.
One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love,
So we always keep our toothpaste and toothbrush underneath the sink because, as you guys can tell, this is a fairly small master bathroom. So I like to keep the sink pretty empty on the top, and I just keep the soap up there. So the toothpaste and toothbrushes go in this container that I'm cleaning, and then I just place it underneath the sink. So one tip for you guys, I know I have said this before, but always make sure you clean as you go. So I try to always wipe everything down, and making sure if the trash that I have that I automatically go take it out, it'll definitely help you feel less overwhelmed and less stressed about decluttering and organizing spaces, and then you'll definitely love how it looks afterwards. Also want to mention that I am slowly changing my brand name. So, you know, I've been going by Organized with Eb, but I wanted to create more of a brand name versus it just representing me, because I wanted to represent you guys as well and this journey that we're on. So I'm slowly changing it to simply Neat Company. So you guys will see me change my YouTube channel very soon. I just don't want you guys to be surprised with doing that, but I also have some exciting new things coming up outside of YouTube. So I hope you guys will go ahead and sign up for that free template, and I'll definitely be updating you guys along the way. I want you guys to let me know what you think about this before and after, and I hope it motivates you to get some things done today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post new content. I'm going to try to be posting every other Sunday and then ease back into once a week. So I hope you guys will stay tuned for the next one. Bye.